Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you 10 best fruits for healthy manhood. 10 best fruits for a healthy manhood. But before I proceed, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching me. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for being part of this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you and I love you all. That is why I do make these videos, to educate and impart some knowledge that I have to you people. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So anytime you want to know about men, or if you are somebody that like to know much about men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos. So what are the 10 best fruits for healthy manhood? What are the 10 best fruits for a healthy manhood? The 10 best fruits are: number 1 is cucumber. Number 2 is avocado pear. Number 3 is bitter cola. Number 4 is banana. Number 5 is watermelon. Number 6 is cashew. Number 7 is groundnut. Number 8 is tiger nut. Number 9 is date nut or dabino nut. And the last is mango. These 10 fruits are very important for any man that want to increase sperm count. These fruits are good for any man that want to last longer in bed. These 10 fruits is good for any man that want to satisfy her woman anytime, any day. These 10 fruits are good for any man that want to live a healthy life. I want to tell you people one thing. Ever since I myself started consuming these fruits, my life changed. My way of life, my health being changed. So that is why I do recommend these 10 fruits for those that want a healthy manhood. So make sure that you consume these 10 fruits on daily basis. If not all, at least 4 of these fruits daily. Keep doing it week to week, month to month, day by day. Keep doing it. Before you might have do this, or before you might have been taking this for at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks to 1 month, your life will never remain the same. You will have the strongest manhood and you will always be the best to do your job. So make sure that you consume these fruits to live a healthy life and to have a healthy manhood. Keep consuming them. They are good. They will also build up your immune system. They will also increase your libido or your sex life, these fruits are very powerful. They will help to smooth your skin and keep your body hydrated. These 10 fruits are very powerful. That is why I do recommend fruits to men, especially men. Men need to consume fruits on daily basis. As a man, you need to consume fruits on daily basis to be the best you want and to live longer and to live a healthy life. For you to live a healthy life, you need all these fruits on daily basis. If you never consume, at least consume 3 or 4 of these fruits on daily basis. Your life will never remain the same. I hope you get value from this video and I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. Please comment on this video, let me know what you think. Put your comment in the comment section. I promise that I will reply your comments as soon as possible. I am good to reply any comments. If you have question or anything you want my help or any directive, put it in the comment section below. I promise that I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for stopping by. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I love you all. That is why I keep doing this video, for each and every one of us to have a healthy life and to be the best man our women wish. So thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks.